In this video, I'm going to show you how to add email address on WhatsApp for iPhone. So if you turn on two-step verification on your iPhone, you need to add your email address for password recovery or as your backup. But here, I'm going to show you a separate step-by-step on how you can easily add email address on WhatsApp on your iPhone. So if you are done with this video, if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Once opened, click on the settings icon at the bottom right, like this. Now you'll be taken to this page. On your settings page, scroll down and click on accounts. Then under account, locate email address and click on that. Then you should see this page that says add email. Click on add email. Once you click on that, go ahead and type in the email address you want to add to your WhatsApp. So type in the email address like this. Now once you type in the email address, confirm that the email address is correct, because WhatsApp is going to send the verification code to this email address. Click on the next button at the top right. Then you should see sending code. So WhatsApp will send the verification code, which is a 6-digit code. This might take a couple of seconds, some cases like up to 5 minutes. Then open the email on your iPhone. Then go to your inbox. Then in the inbox, you see WhatsApp verification code. This is the code. Go ahead and then type in the code and then tap the verify button at the top right. Once you click on the verify button, WhatsApp will try to verify this code, and once the verification is correct, then you should see your email address added to your WhatsApp account on your iPhone. And here you can see the checked verify button. That implies that this email address has been added successfully to your WhatsApp on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily add email address on WhatsApp on your iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.